Kylie Hassett. I'm 24 and I live in Sonoma, California.
And how did you come to seek out Dr. Ronan?
I actually work in a hair salon and a lot of the girls come to him for pretty much anything they need. A lot of our clientele also go to him. I wanted to get my nose done. I wasn't happy with the shape or the structure of it, and I actually broke it when I was about 10 years old, and I just didn't feel like it really fit my face. And, I just really liked everyone. You know, you come in and it's really welcoming. All the girls are super sweet and nice, and one thing that I really liked is when I noticed when I walked in is none of the girls look really fake or anything. Everything's really natural. So you just feel really comfortable coming in here, and Ronan's really nice and approachable himself, and he's pretty funny. I mean, he definitely feels more like a friend than a doctor, so that was kind of nice. That made me more comfortable.
And how about the actual surgery procedure? How was that
That
experience?
was great too. It was really early in the morning, which was nice to get out of the way. You come in and just one person's working with you, a nurse setting you up, which kind of made it feel less overwhelming. I've been through a lot of surgeries prior with my ears and everything, and it's kind of gets you scared and overwhelming because there's so many people running around. There's just you know, you feel kind of scared at first. Here it almost seems like it's in a house or something. It's very low key, it's very mellow. It's one person working with you until you go into the surgery room. It's very easy. Everybody's really nice when you wake up and everything, so it's really good.
And how do you feel about your results?
I'm so happy with it. I could not be happier. I've never had so many compliments. It's crazy because a lot of people who don't know that I've had it, I work with a lot of clients a day, and people will say certain things that, oh, your eyes look different, or your makeup looks really good today, or I noticed something different, but they don't know what it is, but they noticed something different. My family was really happy with it. I could not be more happy with everything he did.
Oh, that's great. And so would you feel comfortable referring a friend here?
Oh, I've already referred, yeah, 2 of my friends have came here and got their noses done already. Definitely would refer family and friends.
Anything else you want to add?
No, I mean, everything is just great here. I could not be more happy. I'd never go anywhere else again, and I will definitely refer everybody in the future to go to him.